Hey, this is Joe, and today we're going to talk about the graphs of y equals a, where a is just some number. So why don't we first talk about a particular example? In this case, let's look at graphing y equals 1. And so we want to find some points on our xy plane here that satisfy this equation. So why don't we begin with the point at the origin, 0, 0. The y value of the origin is 0, and if we plug that in for y here, we get 0 does not equal 1. And so this point does not satisfy our equation. So essentially, we're just looking for a point where y is going to be 1. So let's consider 0, 1, a point directly above the origin. And as you can see, the point 0, 1 has a y value of 1. And if we plug that into the equation, we get 1 equals 1. And so this point satisfies our equation. In other words, any point that has a y value of 1 will satisfy our equation. So another point we get for free is the point 1, 1, the point 2, 1, the point 3, 1, and the point 4, 1. We also get negative 1, 1, negative 2, 1, negative 3, 1, and negative 4, 1. Now, all the points that are halfway between all these points also have a y value of 1. And then all the points halfway between those points have a y value of 1. And as you can see, we can continue in this pattern and we'll get an infinite number of points that satisfy our equation. And instead of representing those as points, we could just use a horizontal line. And so the equation y equals 1 is a horizontal line. And we can quickly graph y equals negative 2, y equals negative 1, y equals 0, which is the x-axis. We already got y equals 1, and we can graph y equals 2. In other words, if you have y equal to a number, you're going to be graphing a horizontal line located at that y value. I'm Joe, and thanks for spending some time with me.